Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see restoring division algorithm. So let's find out what is algorithm. Algorithm is very simple. Before going to start this algorithm, we need some assumption. So here are some assumptions, some examples are given. So here we have to divide number 8 in a binary with the number 3. Okay, so 3 is called as a divisor and this 8 is called as dividend. Okay, and as we know that in normal decimal division, if we divide 8 by 3, we are getting answer as a quotient as a 2 and remainder as 2. Okay, the same result is getting here in a binary. So to perform this division, some algorithm is specified. That algorithm is called as a restoring division algorithm. So how this algorithm works: initially we need to store these values into some registers. So this divisor is stored in register M, this this dividend 1000 is stored in register Q, and we have accumulator which is loaded with the initial value as 0. Okay, so these three values are initialized as at three different registers. Now let's find out the steps of the algorithm. In first step, we have to shift A and Q registers to left. Okay, this is first step. So step 1, we have to shift A and Q to the left. So while shifting A and Q, we know that this leftmost bit of this A will be discarded, and we are getting new A as 0 0 0 0 1. That is the one from Q is shifted here, and these three zeros are shifted at this, and we are getting one vacant location at this Q. Now this location can be filled after some operations. Okay, now next step is what? Subtract M from A. So M register contain divisor and A is contain the value which is obtained from the left shift of the operations. So subtract M from A. So A is containing some values and we have to subtract M. But logic of the subtraction is, we know the value of M is what? 3, that is 0 0 1 1. Now subtraction means we can add 2's complement to the A. So 2's complement of M is what? Is 1 1 1 0 1. So subtraction means actually adding 2's complement to the accumulator. So the shifted A is added with the 2's complement of M. We are getting some results. So 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the answer of the addition, or we can call it as subtraction. Okay, and we have to find out the leftmost bit of this result. So third step is, if sign of A is 1, so this bit is actually representing the sign of result. So this 1 A is having sign as 1, then set Q0 to 0. So this Q0 bit, this is the Q0 bit, Q1 Q2 Q3. So Q0 bit we need to fill. So when we are getting this is minus sign, we have to write here 0. Okay, so this is first thing. And second thing is, when we are having this sign as a negative sign, then we have to restore the accumulator. Okay, so why we require restoring? First we understand how to restore it. So restoring means we have to add M, value of M, not minus M. We have to add M value, that is 1 1, to the result, and when we add this value, we are getting original A. Okay, so you are getting this 1 1 1 1 0, it's added with the 1 1, so we are getting 1 0 0 0 0. So that is original value of the previous step. Okay, so this is what the restoring of the accumulator. Now why we require restoring? Because we know that when we subtract a larger value from smaller value, then the answer is negative. So to handle this negative values, we require addition of this number, because we know that in a division operation we want to subtract some values. Okay, so here 1 0 0 is is used for the subtraction of 1 1. So we know that these are 3 bits and we are means subtracting these 2 bits, so this number should be larger to make subtraction. But here what happens, accumulator is smaller and m is greater, so while we are subtracting we are getting negative values, so that's why we need to restore it again. So again restore the value of a and this q value. So here we are getting first cycle completed. The next cycle, again we start over the first step. So left shift of a and q, so a and q are left shifts, so the 0 0 0 0 1 is shifted as 0 0 0 1 0, and again if this q is shifted 0 0 0 and this place is vacant, that can be filled after some operations. Now again subtract m from a. Again after this shifting operation we need to subtract m, means adding 2's complement of m, we are getting some result. So find out the sign bit. If sign bit is 1, the q0 bit will be 0, and again we need to restore it because this is negative value. So restore it again, so we are getting 0 0 0 1 0, that is previous result of accumulator. So again next step is what, again go to the left shift, so shift it again 0 0 1 0 0, and again this shifts 0 0 0 and this place is vacant. Okay, now this place can be filled after this operation. After shifting we need to add m, so 0 0 1 0 0 is added with 2's complement of m, and we are getting 0 0 0 0 1. So the sign bit is 0, means what, when sign bit is 0 we need to restore q0 to 1. So when we are getting positive value we need to restore it as a 1. Okay, so and no need to add m to accumulator. So here we need not to restore the accumulator because the operation is correct, because we are having subtraction, proper subtraction, that's when no negative value is produced, so no need to restore the a value. So next is what, left shift of this operation, so this value should be left shift, so 0 0 0 1 0, and again shifted 0 0 0 1, and again one more place is vacant. Now second, add m, subtract m from a, you have to subtract m from a, you are getting result 1 0 1 1 1 1, and this value is negative, so again restore q give q value to 0 and restore the accumulator, and this is the end of the fourth cycle. Now why fourth cycle? Because we have a dividend as a 4-bit dividend, so we need to have 4 cycles. In the 4 cycles we are getting quotient at 0 0 1 0, the q register, remainder in a accumulator, so 0 0 0 1 0, it's a reminder. Okay, so this is all about the restoring division algorithm. Thank you.